why I'm making this video. It's quarantine, man, and we don't know what will happen. So I decided to make these videos. I should, because kal ho na ho. I will start by showing my new setup of my display. Let's see. So this time, huh, I gave space to our watches. So this is a Swatch Beat. It has some kind of animation also. This is Timex Humvee. It's also vintage. This is also a vintage Timex. The thing with this was it can transfer data through the CRT monitor screen. It has a sensor. So this is one. This records audios and plays it. This uh, this can measure the blood pressure. Yeah, kind of crazy. This is a dual screen watch. It's also called Twincept. As you can see, it has analog and digital in it. So these are my childhood watches given to me by my dad. This is Timex Marlin. This is Timex Zulu. This is kind of a rare piece, Timex Zulu. In fact, both of these. This is my prized possession. This is the earliest model of G-Shock. So now these watches are made by plastic. The inner case is plastic, but this one has metal in it. So yeah, that's why it is in this fire kind of display. You will ask, oh, where's the time? Time kahan hai isme? So this is an LED watch. Time is kind of crooked, not right. So it is like this. This shows 6 seconds, and the other button shows the time or shows the date. This I bought from Russia. This is a company called Pulsar. Kind of rare, yeah. These two, the NRDG Temp. These are the NRDG Temp from Citizen. As you can see, it has analog and digital. Also, it shows the temperature. These are kind of the geeky watches. All started with the geeky watches. So this one was in what's his name? Heisenberg in Breaking Bad used to wear this watch, and this watch was not exactly this watch, the same model. This was wore by Marty McFly in Back to the Future. Kind of cool, kind of crazy. This is another funny kind of watch. Uh, what It actually shows expressions of this lady, and it has data bank in it. You can store data in it, like phone numbers and all. This is a Pathfinder ProTech Casio. It shows barometer. It has compass in it. It has solar power. This is actually solar powered watch. Also, it has digital, so it's in power saving mode. Oof. So yeah, these three also the successor of these watches, but these are loaded with functions. It has data bank, alarms, chronograph, stop, timer, world time. Cool. Yeah, this was also wore by Ryan Gosling in Half Nelson, also by Dwight Schrute in Office. This is kind of a what a time machine looking thing. Yeah, kind of futuristic. It's also a model of Pro Trek. This is a new model, and this is a vintage one. Does the same thing, like showing compass. It has compass, barometer, and these kind of functions. This is my earliest G-Shock. It has also light in it, LED light in it. Yeah, in the front. These two are the battery died, but these are the remotes. Uh, Back in the day, it can be used as a remote for the TV, basically mainly of the CRT monitors, the CRT TVs. This is also a vintage piece, but I actually swapped the bezel. The inside the engine is of another watch which was broke, which broke. So I replaced it with this bezel. I was actually going for the Batman thing, black and yellow. Yeah, and this is also a vintage piece. I Oh yeah, fun fact. ये बटन एक्चुअली मैंने कास्ट किया है. More videos soon.